Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Muddy Monster. I'm in this video I'm going to show you Neo Bounty. So we want to talk about XDeFi, XLDeFi. What is and how? What is use case? So guys, XDeFi is the future of finance, the next generation cryptocurrency to disrupt existing traditional finance ecosystem. You can check here smart contract and you can buy PancakeSwap through and additional like other exchange. You can check here coin market cap, and here you can see what is the price of XDeFi, XLDeFi. Okay, this is stores and receive XDeFi. You can hodl trust wallet, Binance and MetaMask. Reliable, tamper-proof network, permissionless, deflationary, transparent accounting, powerful use case, token economics. You can check here 18%, 13%, 13.51, 19.91, 45%. Initial supply is 111 million, or rewards and loyalty 20 millions, foundation 50 millions, team 11 million, liquidity 15 million, and marketing business development 15 billion. Okay, and you can check here burning mechanism, number of holders, circulating value, staking here, and total initial supply itni 41%. The token utility governance, XDeFi holders vote for any development, and whether those the yeah. Payment blockchain 2.3 million hotels and 400 flights with SLD using XLDeFi. Passive income crypto for all. XLDeFi use case, a decentralized exchange built for trustless transaction using Binance Smart Chain smart contract with fast settlement, low transaction fee, and a democratic distribution powered by XLDeFi. XLSwap bring you the best traditional opportunity for the find, maximize your yield. XLDeFi acts of the government token. XLDeFi benefits of XLDeFi: earn attractive reward, staking, liquidity mining, yield farming, earn up to 65% APY, interconnectivity, easy to use, low gas fees, and many more profits. Travel with crypto. XLDeFi is a cryptocurrency listed on xltrip.com. 2.3 million hotels and 450 airlines around the world. Very big number. Okay, DeFi made easy and simple. XLDeFi secure crypto wallet which can be receive and send hold all ERC and BIP20 including major cryptocurrency. Swap DeFi coins, earn triple yield. Buy crypto warriors various debit and credit cards. Top up, you can top up, you can gift card. Okay, trade with confidence on the world fastest and most secure exchange. Global community, you can check global reach itni 23470 307. Discord, you can check here. Twitter following 60,000, and you can check Telegram 52,948. You can check LinkedIn, you can check press release like Forbes, Hindustan Times, Yahoo, Digital Journal, and roadmap. You can check here roadmap 2021 concept, inspection, team development, paramarketing, branding, and here you can check Q3 token launch, publish, white paper, listing, coin market cap, Excel automatic marketing, baki many more things. You can check here. We are here listing on major centralized exchanges and use case, building ecosystem, voting place and additional place. Baki 2022 Q3 Q4 launching credit cards, earn with XLDeFi, work with our own blockchain, listing XLDeFi to major centralized exchanges. Okay, powered by XL Lab, XLSwap, XLPay, Excel Trip, Excel Token Exchange, and Excel Token Plus. So here we review all things, and you can join here Bounty. $20,000 Excel distribution in 2 to 4 weeks. You can join Bounty 2 December to 5 January. Okay, you can join here campaign, content campaign, Twitter campaign, Reddit campaign, Telegram and Facebook, Instagram, many more, Discord. How to join? Here simple, I want to show you. Here you have minimum 30 followers to join this Bounty, and you can read rules and here follow them and join Bounty and earn some money. Okay, thanks for watching video. Like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.